Today we have this 2022 Chevrolet Blazer with the Redline package. This is a 3LT package, which means you will have leather in this model. Just going to go up real close on this front end. They do have the black bow ties on the Redline with black accented grille, and around your headlights they're black. And of course all the wheels are accented. These are a 20-inch wheel and tire with the red line on the accent stripe on the wheel and the mirror. All of your nameplates are outlined in red and black on the outside. Just going around here. This is the 2.0 turbo. This is an all-wheel drive model. There's you got your dual exhaust in the back with your black bow tie in there as well. I'll go ahead and open this up and go inside. These handles just bring the seats down, is all they do. As you can see, they're pretty flat once they get laid down. I'll put the other one down. Alright, the other one's getting blocked down below here. Is your spare. 800 Chevy USA for your roadside assistance. Has a power adjustable lift gate. Close that up, go back around the other side. Forgot they have the park assistant in the back here. And let's just open this back one up here to show the room. Lay the seats back up. There you go. There you go. There's your rear vents for the climate. Your extra USB-C, USB charging port. The Blazer can have seat adjustment, which is under here in this bar. I moved it up this time, voila. A little hard to do with one hand. Okay. Inside you'll see real good space. You'll have dual power seats on this vehicle. Heated seat controls. There's all your climate system, your heated seat for the driver. Your display of how warm it is. This dial controls the driver's side. This dial controls the passenger side. Heated seat for the passenger. They are a retrofit for this part. I'm going to move this up a little bit. Your park reverse neutral drive. You have an all-wheel drive mode. Let me move this up a little bit. So I can get out of the light here. Cool. There's your park assist button that has a retrofit on there. This is lane keep assist, lane departure warning. Here's how you use the all-wheel drive system in the Blazer. 2-wheel, all-wheel. That's called sport mode and off-road mode. That's all you do. That's how you set that up. It'll just go right back to the very beginning. And going up here, you get your storage area here. Your glove box button here that can be locked with your valet mode, which I have in my YouTube channel there. Right above here, so you turn your auto stop on and off. Your hazard buttons, your start button. Skimped over one, didn't I? That's your StabiliTrak and traction control button. Your camera can be viewed while you're parked with the guidelines on there, as you can see. Everything is very responsive, very easy to set a channel. You just put it to where you want to go, press and hold till you get a beep. It doesn't matter what it's on. You can save them all. Doesn't matter. Your phone. And you got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto Standard on here. You also have your redundant touchscreen climate control. You can adjust the climate from up here if you don't want to use the tactile buttons, which I prefer. Over here is going to be your wipers, your IntelliBeam headlamps and headlamps right here. Cruise control, forward collision alert. In that housing up there on the mirror, right up there is your little cameras measuring how far you are from another car. This is your push to talk button, hang up button, and of course your driver information center tells you all the things about the Blazer that has on there. Little arrow there to show what's all on this one. The volume is behind here. Yep, see it. And this is going to be where your channel adjustments are right there. There's your automatic headlights, parking lights, and your running lights there, just to turn them on, turn your headlights on automatic. Parking brake is there. Of course, all your power locks and windows. Of course, this one does have the power sunroof. There's the controls for that. That's for the shade on the right, and to open the sunroofs there on the left. You do have OnStar trial for 30 days. If you so fit to want that product, it's good stuff. I have it on mine. Here is your adjustment for your lift gate. If you like this vehicle, I definitely recommend hitting me up at buywithbenny.com. Secure this vehicle. It's under 45 grand. No addendums. Buywithbenny.com. Have a nice day, and thanks for watching.